I've personally tested both StanStore and Kajabi in 2025, and here's my honest take on which one to use. StanStore is perfect if you're a creator or influencer who wants a fast, no-fuss setup. It's super simple to use, especially if you're selling digital products through social media. You can set up a store in minutes with its link in bio feature, and your audience can buy with just one tap. The design is clean and mobile friendly, but customization is limited. Advanced marketing tools like email campaigns, upsells, and affiliate programs are only available on their higher plan. So if you want more control over growth, you might hit some walls. On the other hand, Kajabi is a powerhouse for course creators and entrepreneurs. It has everything you need to build a full digital business: courses, memberships, coaching programs, and automation. The course builder is intuitive, letting you organize modules, add videos, PDFs, quizzes, and even issue certificates. Plus, Kajabi's marketing automation and pre-built funnels save a lot of manual work. The catch is the price. Its starter plan begins at $69 per month, and for multiple products and advanced features, you're looking at $149 per month or more. So if you're focused on selling a few digital products quickly with minimal setup, StanStore is ideal. But if you're serious about building a scalable, professional online business with courses, coaching, and detailed analytics, Kajabi is worth the investment. For me, it depends on whether speed and simplicity matter more or if robust features and scalability are your priority.